and welcome to In Focus episode 8 through their lens. I am Akansha, and today's show is a celebration, a tribute, and a time capsule dedicated to the talented student of MA Journalism and Mass Communication batch 2023 at Jain deemed to be University CMS Lalbagh campus. Over the 2 years, these students have experienced the world of media inside out, from writing their first news report to directing their own short films and documentaries. They have experienced the stress deadlines, creative breakthroughs, and unforgettable moments at the campus. And today, they are here to share it all with us. So, with us we have
Janvi,
Anisha,
Vidushi,
Abhirami, Srishti,
Megha,
Spurti,
Tejashvi.
So, let's throw it back to day one. Bright eye, nervous, dressed to impress. Who remembers that first feeling?
oh my god, I was late to call. And then, yeah, but it was great.
I think I felt like an absolute completely confused potato amongst the French fries. I'm referring to French fries because it's Bhakti's favorite. And yeah, I think one thing you should keep in mind about the first day is you can follow the crowd. It will take you somewhere, which is Satkar, but
Like us. Yeah, like us. First day we went to Satkar. So
I think our whole class was in something.
Yeah. So at least one good thing with me was I had my friends from my UG. So I was little less nervous, but of course had to make place here, feel included. So yeah, so my first friend was Janvi only.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, she welcomed us with a Kit Kat, I remember.
That's like really sweet.
because you were late.
You missed it.
For me, so for us, I think majority of us who came, we already had online sessions.
Yeah.
So a lot of us are already familiar with certain people. So
Yeah.
it was quite easy for us to blend with each other because it wasn't like coming to campus and we don't know anybody.
It was orientation day only, 2 days. Then it was 1 week holiday, and then classes
Yeah.
started.
For me, I'm completely unrelated to all this because I joined 2 months late.
Oh my
This
God.
college, I got admitted into this college 2 months late, and I didn't know what was happening. I didn't know anybody. When I entered the class, everybody was already with someone, but they were like sweet, and they included me with everybody, so it was fun.
That's like really a sweet, memorable first day. So my second question to you all is, who thought this was going to be a chill media course and then met their first deadline?
I guess everybody would have felt the same. Exactly. I feel it was more about lab journal. It was lab journal. Yeah. A lot of confusion it was.
Yeah.
Earlier magazine, table.
Everything happened with
Coffee
that.
table.
So I don't
Coffee
think we
table,
had
I
that. For us, it was more fun.
And I feel even the teachers were very chill with it initially. And even now.
At least for us, they were very chill.
Yeah.
They are still chill.
Mama dekha.
Teachers were friendly, and so that we didn't have that, we had to deadline.
The pressure,
I
yeah.
think we feel that more now.
Yeah.
But they do not pressurize
Yes,
us
now
now.
also. That's-
Yeah, because
That's so sweet.
last minute thing.
Yeah.
Yes. So complete the sentence. I knew I was in for a ride when the faculty said we do not do boring lectures here.
God.
Did anybody say that to us?
I don't think anyone said that.
I don't think anyone said that.
I think they also agreed to some point that okay, some classes might be boring.
Yeah.
Because there are some subjects which are like little.
Not interesting
Yeah.
for us.
Yeah.
So they were pretty realistic with us.
And they try to make it more fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, they
We
will
do
keep trying to do
communicate
that.
with them that, okay, this subject
Yeah.
quite boring, can we make it something interesting?
We
So
still
we
do.
usually had them give us like fun tasks and
Yeah.
stuff. So
Yeah.
That's fun. And they handed me a camera and said, go shoot.
It was, I think,
Farooq sir. It was always Farooq sir.
For us, it was like Santosh sir because there was a subject called Introduction to Filmmaking.
Yeah.
Yeah, that it was. Yeah, we shot a lot of stuff.
but I don't think who was the photojournalism in our
Yes, I can see.
Okay, you were? Yeah.
Going to this KR market.
Yeah.
Because in UG we haven't gone anywhere. I did
Yeah.
literature and we didn't go anywhere. We went to KR market and then ma'am just said
Church
start
Street also
shooting.
you all have done, no?
Yeah, Church Street. But I was absent on that day. So.
but for a lot of us, I think it was Farooq sir.
Yeah. Broadcast journalism. Yeah.
And
For
he
us
said,
it was
"Go
radio also, but then radio was nothing to shoot. Like broadcast.
I think Farooq sir trusted us way too much with the camera.
Yeah, he still does. He still does.
I don't think if it is correct.
But he has always helped us. Yeah. Correct.
I heard the word deadline 5 times in 1 hour.
Research.
Yeah.
Minor research.
Okay. So that first day was more than awkward. It was the first spark in a journey filled with story, chaos, and creativity. Raise your hand if you ever said, "Do not worry, we'll do it in 1 take," and then took 10. Oh my god.
I think we take we took around 30, 40, 50. Not
Oh
10.
my god. And you thought that you will take 1 take and then it end up doing 50.
Package for me.
Yeah.
I think Patti sir and Raghunandan sir had about 50 of each of our faces there.
And even it got to a point where we just there's
It's okay.
just
Yeah.
time else. It's just
We're done with it. Yeah.
Awesome. So, complete, your shoes going wrong when you shout action and then realize the camera wasn't rolling. Has it ever happened to you guys?
that has happened to me. For me, it has happened.
Oh my god, which subject?
Broadcast journalism.
I think it happened for our news package, but it was more mic mishaps, not camera mishaps.
Yeah.
I was never good with camera, so I've never felt that.
The talent nails the perfect take and then you discover the mic wasn't plugged in.
I think it happened in Focus last time. Yeah. It happened in Focus with us.
Oh my god. I
But
hope our mics
we
are
had
plugged in.
backup.
Mics are working, right?
Yeah. Your mic captures the auto driver more than your subject. Ever happened?
Does happen like
Sometimes not
The
more.
backgrounds and everything. Yeah. You realize your battery is dead just when everything was perfect.
Yeah.
I think that is now. With
Yeah,
research
no.
and our laptop.
I would agree. Yeah.
Yeah, we kind of do have an auction that who is going to put the charger on the cable. Yeah. On the plug point, yeah.
Moving on to the next segment. All right, CMS warriors, give us the ultimate survivor guide. 1 tip for each year.
I would like to go first. So
Yeah.
for the first years, it has to be like you all should take subjects which are taught by Farooq sir. If you are it's the best thing one can ever do. That's
Yeah.
like from my side.
That's awesome tip.
I'd say also like pick your team members
Wisely.
very wisely.
Choose your team members
When
very
you're
wisely.
going into project with.
Yeah.
Also,
Okay.
please start your research early.
Yeah.
That's
Now,
from second
Yeah.
year.
start from first semester.
I
Choose
agree.
your topic. Also, don't forget to have fun. That's
Yeah.
it. That's it.
Please go on more trips.
Yeah.
Because the time, like 2 years are very short. It
And you will
finish
never
very
take to a trip. You will always plan to do it.
Yeah.
But I feel for 1 year goes in knowing each other only,
Yeah.
and by the time we start knowing each other, it's like 2 years is over. It's like with the blink of an eye.
We're starting to get nostalgic
Yeah.
now.
And please
And
be
this is
united.
making me more
Yeah,
of
please,
it.
please be united.
True.
Yeah.
Stay united.
And yeah, mostly it's about research. You just do your research.
Yeah, I feel like we all come up with the ambition of becoming an overachiever. Yes, well and good, but some of us end up being the middle guy of the class group, so that's also great.
And can't forget the time when I became the profile picture of my unofficial group.
Wow.
WhatsApp group. Yeah.
And always attend classes in the beginning. Please don't.
Yeah, attendance sounds
Yeah,
like a
always.
myth, but it is not. Attendance
Yeah.
is very important.
Yes, very, very
Yes.
important.
I would know that, yeah.
Yeah.
At some point.
Also, I'd say build connections, especially if you have to do PCLs and go on shoots and everything, then have your connects for asking for stuff.
Yes.
And the college is not your complete life. There should be something beyond your college.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, that.
Have fun
Something.
outside
Yeah.
college too.
Yeah. And what's your tip for the second year at
Research.
CMS?
Second year is
I need tips for second year, please.
Yeah, I think
I think first year is more full of enjoyment. Second year is too much of seriousness, too much of work.
Especially last semester.
Yeah.
It's like too much burden for no reason.
get used to seeing Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word,
Yeah, that's
Google
true.
Docs, Canva,
And Gemini PowerPoint.
a lot.
So basically, whatever fun we have to do, just do it on the first
Yeah,
year.
yeah.
Like in the first year, do it everything.
Follow that in the second year because do not even invest more in knowing each other because that
Yeah.
will take 2 years.
Uh-huh,
But yeah,
of course.
have
I
fun.
think we're getting to that.
Yeah, I think go talk to your friends. We did
Yeah.
not do it for the longest
Yeah.
time, and now
Yeah,
we're like closest. So we should have done it before.
And when we did talk to
Definitely.
each other also for us, our first thing was, why didn't we talk to each other? And both of us wanted to talk to each other
Aw.
every day.
True.
So don't hesitate
Talk to
just
everyone.
Go and just talk
No
to
matter
everyone.
who can become your closest.
Yeah.
That's a really good one. So this is the most exciting segment, which is the rapid fire segment. So let's be quick with your answers. And my first question is, what's one thing would you pack in your journalism emergency kit?
Mic.
Phone.
Power backup.
Chargers.
Yeah.
Extra storage.
Okay. So what is the most underrated hangout spot in the
Studio.
campus? No, hanging out.
Studio.
Hangout.
Yeah.
Studio? Oh, wow.
Place. Go to place. Studio.
Oh, awesome.
I think it's the library.
Hang out.
Yeah, it
No,
is.
we need AC.
No, I think so. You need calmness. You need calmness, Shanti. For that, you might be going. Okay. So, if your class was a movie, what would it be titled?
Student of the year.
Yeah, and student of the year is Janvi. I don't know. I am like a person who entered the movie set, and I do not have the script, so don't ask me the title.
I guess
So,
like it
yeah.
can be like partially three, like how was it in Three Idiots?
Yeah, I was
Everything.
gonna say the
All idiots.
Okay. So, what's your go-to background music while editing?
sad song.
Oh God. One app you cannot survive without during deadlines.
ChatGPT. Exactly.
That was quick, guys. Okay. Which team member is most likely to disappear during a group project?
It's recently very controversial. So we
I
are
think
talking about it.
thankfully you did not call them today.
Okay. So what's most used line when your shoot goes wrong?
I don't think we
Farooq sir.
Yeah, exactly. Farooq sir.
Farooq sir.
Rescue always.
No, we'll tell that we'll see it in the editing part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's first Farooq sir and then it's like, okay, edit.
Okay. So if CMS had a reality show, what it would be called?
in focus.
That's
Please someone make it a thing.
Yeah, I wanted to make it last time, but sir was very embarrassed. I'm very sorry, sir.
Sir, don't cut this out. Sir.
Yeah, I don't apologize easily.
Yeah. One thing you always forget to carry to the class.
Charger.
Charger.
Pen.
Notebook.
Notebook. Oh my god.
Yeah, actually, there was once when Jesus sir sent somebody to go buy a notebook. And
Yeah, I remember.
So, I don't list your notebook.
No, I remember sharing, like taking pages and giving to Bhakti because she would never bring a notebook.
That's a tip I'm gonna take for next year. No, bring your notebook.
Even if you don't write anything, bring it.
Sure.
It should be there in front of you. Yeah.
Favorite line from any of your past scripts? Scripts. Yeah. Your favorite line.
Did we have it?
Wrap up.
Yeah.
End like wrap up.
और even एक में I think we had picture अभी बाकी है तो it's like our class is always like this
Yeah.
कि very unpredictable.
Oh no, picture wrong. Leo SOS.
Answers PPT.
Yes. Leo SOS.
Describe your batch in a hashtag.
Chaotic.
Hashtag chaotic.
Chaotic.
Unhinged. Big boss.
Unhinged.
Unpredictable also.
Big boss.
Big boss.
Nice one. If your classroom had a theme song, what would it be?
Subversive background music.
What is it, friend?
Oh,
Masti की भाषा में मैंने वो क्या?
Like flute, flute, and all of that.
Or that can be one, the pressure cooker song, like
There's a pressure.
pressure cooker.
Student
हाँ.
No, I think
Rita
even
Mara.
Masti ki Pathshala will also go.
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
We'll let you know in 2 weeks when we have to post
Yeah.
year-end
yeah.
stuff.
Yeah. What's your favorite last minute excuse?
So traffic.
Traffic. Bangalore traffic.
Or
Yeah.
didn't get didn't get an auto.
Didn't got an idea.
Class.
Sorry, what?
Bhaiya didn't open the gate, so we couldn't get in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Attender भैया.
Blame it on attender Bhaiya. Man, move on.
But 95% of the time he's the reason.
Yeah. Only third floor attender, not everyone.
So
And some.
even the lift person who stands there, he
Yeah, stairs.
Yeah.
Stairs. But no stairs.
And one more thing, it's not an excuse, but most of us are actually working in some
Yeah.
other company right now, so that might be actually an actual reason, not an excuse. We're not saying an excuse.
Okay. So, which equipment is your ride or die on any project?
ChatGPT.
Canva.
Canva, yeah.
Okay. Most dramatic thing said during a group project. Most dramatic. Yeah.
I need to call someone out. One of my teammates said, I'm on my periods. I can't work.
Do I know that person?
Yes, you do.
Okay. The most common reason your team had a reshoot.
Because we took so many takes and then the studio didn't stay open that long.
We lost the files.
Yeah.
the script got
Of
changed.
course, Vidushi.
Yeah. Last
We
moment.
shot the whole thing, entire thing last time for PCL, and then after we shot, we realized that it can be better, and we did it from the scrap.
Same thing happened to us also.
Yeah.
There are some teams who don't submit it at all. You know that, right? Yeah.
Yeah. So for this one, I need everyone to individually answer. Okay. What was your first impression of your class? Just in one word.
Noisy.
That is a main part.
No, like it was like you're getting to know people, and it was like they were all from different backgrounds, and language issue was there, so
Yeah.
it was really hard to like communicate with everybody.
This is my personal opinion. I don't know how it is right. Dead Poet Society went wrong.
I love that. Then Poet Society went wrong.
Yeah. One word.
I can't think of it.
Okay.
I think for me it will be diverse.
Nice.
So no matter what backgrounds, we're all chill.
Yeah.
I think we're
Chill
all like
guys.
chill guys. So
Definitely.
yeah,
A little extra, too much. Chill.
Yeah.
It's like
Overwhelming.
Now I think so.
It's chaotic.
Okay. That's a lovely words and everything. So, moving to the next segment, which is the research reel. Now, let's talk about something that pushed your limits, your deadlines, media research, from sleepless nights over lectures review to figuring out what quantitative really meant. How was the research journey for all of you?
Okay, which research though? Because we had two researches.
Yeah.
The first year one. Because that was more
Media research,
clueless, I
No,
guess.
that was when we had 20 days to do it.
Yeah, conference.
Yeah.
We just had conference time.
We had
For
an
me-
international
For me, I had
conference.
5 days.
Yeah, we had an international conference, so majority of us were running on.
But our guide was supportive.
Deadline.
She helped majority of the things.
I feel from my part, I got the best guide. It was Riya ma'am. She has helped all over the time in the like first year and the second year. So it was an escape with the research.
I think it was quite hectic for us, given the fact some of us were sitting in the college campus until 7 p.m. or 10 p.m. at night.
Sometimes 11 also.
Yeah, and arranging the international conferences. We both were there. It was fun, but like we did not have enough time to prepare for our presentations and everything. But I think we managed. Yeah. So I think when you get deadlines, that is also a kick to complete your work finally,
But I
because
think that was the first time we ever had like hardcore, very immediate deadlines. Usually we've had very
1 month, 1.5
2
deadlines.
months.
Yeah.
But that time
That's
it was like get things instant.
yeah.
Myself and
Plus
Bhakti,
it
we were
was
in
first
the-
research.
like we were under the same guide, and then we didn't even decide to do it in the conference. 2 days before the conference, we were like, why don't we do it in the conference?
Yeah.
We finished within 2
Shout
days.
out to Santosh sir.
Yeah, Santosh.
Yeah, but if you're doing just research papers, then I don't think you should stress out over time.
Yeah.
If you're doing
Dissertation,
dissertations, then start
Yeah, from day one.
Start now. Start today.
today.
Even my research was fine because it was Farooq sir and I did it on film, so it was really easy to do.
That's
But I also
awesome.
like seeing how diverse all our topics were.
Yeah.
Like we came up with very interesting topics to research on.
Did you research on the topic for a long time?
Nah. we didn't have very long time.
Just went with the instinct.
Yeah, now we have done very long time, but that one we didn't have the luxury of very long time.
I still didn't do
Deadlines. Yeah. So, research reality check. Complete the sentence. Your guide comments become your internal monologue.
They don't really. I mean, when you guys get to research, you realize you don't get a lot of comments. It's more help. that you
Helpful,
get.
Yeah, it's like do like this, do that.
Yeah,
There's
they
a lot
like
of
help
that.
us
Change
to-
this. Otherwise, there's no typical dialogue which would stay.
I mean, it's more than
Yeah.
guidance.
yeah,
Like,
And they're all
proper guiders.
Yeah.
And they're all very sweet towards
Yeah.
the research, and
Yeah.
they also know how hectic it can get.
Yeah.
So they actually help and guide us. That's it.
Okay. My folder had 5 files named final draft and none were actually final.
Bhagina ma'am has nails saying final draft.
Even I get confused sometimes which one is the final draft. That's true.
I could recite my research objective in my sleep.
No.
No.
No?
Not even the time.
None?
No, maybe that's
But
it, but not the
But in my
object.
sleep, I panic in my sleep
Yeah,
while I'm
true.
doing my research.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
happening to me also.
Yes.
But I'm still not doing it.
Just internal panic.
Yeah, it's like कि हो जाएगा, it's okay. I have
Yeah.
days, 2 days, 3 days.
And the most
I hope so my guy doesn't listen this.
panic part is that getting responses to
So don't show our guys.
Please, sir.
Saying to people, please respond to my survey, please.
Yeah.
Difficult. I have suffered the
Going
most.
on camera.
Yes, we are the response.
Now it's done.
Listen here, do qualitative research.
Yeah, actually just
Do call.
But we have to fill pages, no?
qualitative also
Qualitative.
fills pages.
Yeah.
130.
Maybe I'm not serious.
Yes, you know.
Okay. My survey link was shared more than my birthday post.
True.
Yes.
I think so. We just said that.
Absolutely, yeah.
Want to tell us
You have to. And it's not just share, it's
Asking
like,
It's
people,
like forcing
yeah.
people
Send
to
me
do
screenshot.
it.
Get
Yeah.
like beg, bargain, threaten,
Whatever it takes to fill a form.
everything.
Or even write them sometimes.
Tejasvi, she came to me and she was like standing like right in front of
Exactly.
me.
It's like, do it right away.
She did that to everyone.
Everyone. I have struggled the most.
Oh
Also,
God.
I think
And I'm not even
everybody-
started yet.
Oh, I remember for
Don't say that
our
on camera.
previous
Say that on
I had put a post for Pratarshi, like
Ah.
she
Needed
like it
response.
was, like she was in dire emergency to fill that research form, and it wasn't that serious.
Oh God.
Also, I think everybody should choose their research topic very wisely. Something you're genuinely interested in. just for the namesake, guys, please don't do it.
She's speaking from experience.
Because now she's her favorite and now she wants to change the topic. That is
Yeah.
good.
I have 10 days left and now she's not there, right? Yeah, but I won't because it's almost done. But choose your topic wisely. It's something you're genuinely interested in.
Yeah,
Or
otherwise
it
you
won't be
won't
fun.
finish it.
Yeah.
You won't.
There won't be
there's
any reason to
nothing that
finish.
pushes you
Yeah.
to finish your topic.
And you also you cannot talk about it, what you have done. If you know about it and you have done your research, you can talk about it passionately. And
Yeah.
the researcher, they know that, okay, you have done the research. You have
Because there's Viva. You have to answer there.
And we've been told that it's very difficult to defend ourselves there.
Yeah.
So please pick topics you like.
Yeah.
So that you can defend
Adding on to
yourself.
that, after you finish your research paper, whatever parts you have taken from ChatGPT, please read it.
Humanize.
Please read it.
Also
Yeah,
put it
read
through
it,
the
yeah.
bypass, humanize it. Don't get
I think this is
plagiarized.
becoming more of research now.
Yeah, we can do hard one research.
I
You want
swear.
to-
Yeah.
No.
Okay, so that's a good note to take, that research is very important, guys. Take it seriously. So, beyond the charts and sleepless nights, you discovered what it means to dig deeper, ask questions, and build knowledge. That's what research and growth it is really about. And moving to the next section, which is the final cut. As we roll into the final cut of your journey, what moment will you hold closest to your heart? And again, I need individual answers for this one.
Difficult.
I think I would start because I would want to give shout out to my team, that is my PCL team.
Yeah.
I think, no offense, I think I have the best team out of
do.
everybody. It's
It's the same from starting.
yeah,
now.
and everybody kind of got
Changes.
changed or something, but we stick
Yeah,
together
I
from
think still the same.
yeah.
Hey, we say the same.
Okay, bro.
Offensive.
Except for our team, everyone sticks the
Yeah.
same.
But I
Let's
think
not talk about it.
yeah, but I think I have the best team,
Let's
and
not talk about it.
we always made sure we did it before the deadline, and yeah, it was really great. And every assignment I kind of did with them. The first shot, I think it was an ad, layer shot ad.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, everybody remembers that. See, that assignment itself, it kind of meant a lot to me because we got a lot of praise, obviously, but then when we were shooting it, we had a lot of fun, and we decided, yeah, this can happen. This can lead to something good, and it actually was great. The great experience working with them, my other teammates. Yeah.
Awesome, that is. Who else? Yeah.
Coming to the end of our degree, now is when you realize that, okay, first, this is probably for majority of us, probably the last time we're going to be students. So I think at least I'm going to miss being a student. And then I think it's more that whole feeling of coming to class, even though we don't want to at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Seeing each other.
But seeing each other and the fun in class, we just wish we took more time
To have
like
fun,
trips
enjoy.
and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To know each other more better.
Like, one advice would be make friends. That's the, one of the best things you can do. But the worst part could also be that you end up becoming group mates with your friends and it just messes up.
Yeah.
And college life, it's like our assignments, it's like you'll not get full marks, you'll never get full marks, but it is going to be for yourself, it's going to be your own thing, you did it yourself, so that is your achievement.
Sure.
You don't always have to excel in it, that's all.
Also, I feel like one thing is we're definitely going to miss the fun we had with our teachers.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
We sat in class and a lot of the time post our syllabus and everything, we just chill in class, watch movies, sometimes just randomly talk about nonsense also. So I think
Because the teachers are very supportive, that I have to give it to them because they are so approachable. I had never thought that I would get someone like this. I can't name just one, but it's all. They are very approachable.
I will miss our film studies classes.
Yeah.
Every Saturday we used to get to watch
a
movies.
movie.
Yeah.
I would really look forward. First of all, on weekends nobody
Likes to
feels
come.
like
Yeah.
coming
Yeah,
to college.
That
definitely.
was the
But
motivation.
the only motivation to come to college was watching films.
This is your cue, guys. Take film studies next
Yeah.
year.
Because Farooq sir is the teacher.
Please take film studies. Please take film studies. Please read all my research papers.
Sorry? What was opposite?
Media man.
Theatre.
Media
Data.
Yeah,
Yeah.
We obviously don't have a favorite teacher.
Wow. Wow. Make it obvious.
I think my memorable moment was last year's PCL. Even though we were all shattered
That was
inside,
traumatizing.
we were traumatized, but still we stood up for each other. We were not trying to cry in front of the other. We were like, it's okay, we'll do this. Even though we are internally like panicking, we stood up for each other. I think
Wow.
that is the best
That's
thing.
a
And even
great
that-
memory.
But I feel like that's with our class also. At times we are
Yeah.
very divided.
Yeah.
But when it comes to like an
helping
issue
each
that we
other,
need to deal
yeah.
with,
We are very strong.
yeah, we all fight.
Yeah. And even I feel I have to mention Megha specifically because like she gets food for us. So like staying away from home, getting home food, it's like best
Blessing.
thing. Thank you,
Yeah,
Megha.
mom makes the best.
Yeah.
Makes paddu.
Makes
And
very
masala
nice
dosa also.
videos
It's
and
like
all.
amazing.
And then she sends us dabbas. Okay?
Yeah,
Not just
one
for
or
her.
Wow.
Individually.
Everybody she will
Yeah.
send dabbas. I miss that. Yes, I miss my
Yeah.
And I guess
Oh
the
my God.
first event that like when we came to college, the first event was like Teachers' Day, where everybody participated and we did fashion
dance.
walk and dance. Yeah, like we used to stay back and do that. Was like one of the first moment, or like first event we did in college together.
If we have time, can we talk about cinemas and JUSFF?
Oh,
Yeah, definitely.
I will miss Suchitra. The midnight decorations. Farooq sir can attest to it. The first JUSFF, I think, they stayed till 10 o'clock cutting triangles in paper and
My
sticking
God.
it. And it was all teachers,
Because they're
students,
so approachable,
everybody. We were all just there doing stuff till like late night. And our sponsorship runs.
Sponsorship though.
All the best.
Special
to the next
mention.
sponsorship.
Yeah. Also Miss Onse. That was the
Yeah.
That was
That
fun.
was nice.
I think you
Say.
I think you die as a hero or live long enough to be a committee head.
Golden words.
Yeah. So
Especially
then
a
don't fight
sponsorship.
for committee head.
Yeah, please do not.
Please don't.
It's not worth it.
It's
Yeah.
not that big of a deal. It's just somebody has to be spoken to by the teachers, and that's that head. So honestly, it's more pressure than staying in the team. You'd rather not be a committee head than
And
be a
nobody is
committee.
superior, nobody is inferior. It's just one class. So think about it.
Yeah.
That's good.
Because I think for us, it took us time to understand that.
Realize it.
That being a committee head does not make you someone with attitude or something like that.
I think
You are
that's
not.
something we understood. Not everyone.
Okay, majority of them understood. So yeah. Also the conference and all was also, I mean with the running deadlines also, I still remember majority of us running to submit abstracts.
Yeah.
We had presentation for research and everything.
Yeah.
But that conference made things very easy for us.
Yeah, it gave us a lot of confidence. I was very happy after present.
Like I don't think any of us is stressed to do the research
Yeah.
presentation after we did that
Yeah.
conference.
After doing the conference, we feel like we can do it in 15-20 days also.
Yeah. Don't have that
Start early. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Our college gave us the opportunity, which not every college gives you, to take part in BIFIS. So some of us have been there, and the college
was
is very
fun.
supportive about it. And it is really a fun experience.
One should go.
Even if you're not a
Yeah.
volunteer, I feel like you should go
We
watch
should together.
movies. It's very important. You cannot be like, मैं movie नहीं देखती, this is not my genre. I think when it comes to news, you need to know what's going around. It's the same with films. You should touch upon everything, I think, a little bit. So that's important.
Again, this is your cue to again go.
Yeah.
Take film
Yeah,
studies,
it's
go to
important.
Bangalore
Yes,
International Film
for
Festival. Yeah.
Enjoy.
Also, I
Take
think
trips.
one thing I do have to say is that compared to a lot of people that we know who are studying different courses, we have the most fun assignments.
Yeah.
Yeah, because our course is something like that, no? Which will have fun assignments.
One of our assignments was to watch matches.
Yeah,
Play
also
match.
play match.
Play match
Play
now.
match.
Now
Yeah.
play match.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's just a lot of things that you will miss and not miss at the same time, but a lot of things that you will miss.
True.
But I think you'll enjoy your college life only if you have a good set of friends.
Friends.
So make good friends.
With whom you vibe.
And if not, that's also fine.
Yeah,
Make
I mean,
good
don't
friends and
take
go
the
out with
pressure
them.
to do it.
Yeah, it's okay.
No, make friends and go out with them. Yeah, I went to BIPS for 2 years and that was the best weeks of my life, I can tell. Because of this college, I could go there and be a volunteer. It's not just about, watching films. It's about talking to people who are so passionate about films and, it's just networking and just being there 24/7. Like, if you go from the morning, you'll stay till night there and it's that like that for one whole week and you'll really start missing it after the week.
Yeah.
So that was the best thing for me.
And you learn a lot from the
Yeah.
from
You
that
make
one.
connections also, I feel. You meet new people.
Yeah.
Also, I feel like the thing that is, I think, a recurring pattern in probably every class, but at least in our course that you see, is when the year starts or when the degree starts, everybody starts for some reason being so competitive and everything, and you split. But then somehow at the end of it, like when we near the end, you forget who was your enemy, who you fought with, who you cried with, and everything. You just come together. Like,
Yeah.
I don't think we've been this close for the past 1 year.
That's all. No, when we started to,
Get
know,
close to
yeah,
finish.
it's like
the
done. That's
The
true.
end is
So I
here.
think we just don't know it yet what we are going to miss. Once it's
Yeah.
all done, later we'll realize.
Yeah, I
No,
think
but now I'm feeling that okay, college is just almost over.
And this
is
is
the
making
time.
it more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I'm not going to miss college because it is going to stay in my heart.
Oh God.
And also adding to all of this is the competitive part. Like, I think it's opposite to me because when I had come to college the first time, I was not competitive. I wouldn't show up to classes. I was the laziest person, and because of a UG as well. Because in UG I didn't do anything. I was like this person who sits in the last bench. But I think college has made me more active now, and I've got my first internship because of that. I'm really, really proud of that internship as well. And the thing is that why are you clapping?
A lot of fun learned from
I know,
your
Abhirami
lectures in
sits
your
in
course.
the
Yeah, and the thing is that these people were so cooperative. Even if I have something to do with my internship, for example, like Shubham, there's a guy called Shubham.
There is always a guy called Shubham.
He's an editor. He's already working somewhere, and I just went and said, "There's an opening in my company." He just came because he knew me. He just came, and he's now a part of my team. And Megha as well. She started shooting for me for the Sadi shoot. We had another thing going on. So even outside of college, people
So
started.
even that IPL shoot where everybody
The
combined.
STFU
Yeah,
shoot.
there was an ad that we did for Licious,
Licious.
and they were just cooperative. People were like, "Yeah, we'll do it." They didn't even ask what is this split, what is going on.
I mean, I think
Because they got
majority
something
came
in
because we
this
got-
shirt.
Yeah, I'm good as well. Yeah, and the best part is that I understood that college doesn't make you lazy because I thought from UG I thought okay, just go into college, sitting and chat GPT assignment.
Now Abhirami sits on the first bench.
Yeah.
I
Yes.
sat on the first bench. No, I'm very proud of me. I sat in the first bench and I started talking to people.
Yeah,
Initially, I did
always
not
does
talk to people. I thought that I just assumed that people wouldn't talk to me, and I think I got more confident in the second year. First year, I was like a sloth. Second year, I think I started working a lot, and I think I started talking to a lot of people, and people. I understood that people. You don't have to think that just because they don't talk to you doesn't mean that they won't help or they will never talk to you.
Until you'll talk.
Yeah,
I think it was more about breaking our assumptions
Yeah.
that people, like certain people don't like me or certain people don't vibe with me and stuff. But then once we started speaking, that's when we realized that, okay,
We
all
are
of
same.
that assumption was wrong. Like,
Yeah, like in my first year, I didn't think our class would be helpful or something. But now I feel that okay, no matter if someday I'm not talking to Bhakti, but if I go to her, she'd be like, yeah, I'll help you. It's always there. Touch wood, that's the best thing.
The best part is knowing about everyone's cultures and religion. Now I know how to make.
And respecting it.
Yeah, and now I know how to make Kolkata egg biryani perfect.
We would like to have.
We're all coming to your place.
But still, I know, like by this end, I know what is it, and we know that even if we fall apart, and even if we know that we need some help, we can always depend on it. Like even if you don't talk regularly every day, don't sit with them, but still you can depend on them.
Also, I think we have to say one thing is that sometimes from your old experience, you might think the teachers are not approachable or you can't ask them the silliest questions. But I mean, I think even before we took the take, you saw how we were with Farooq sir. You can ask the silliest questions and they'll genuinely care and give you an answer.
Without getting impatient.
Yeah.
True.
I mean, yeah, sure.
To some extent.
Yeah. I mean, if you ask the same stupid question 10 times, they'll really get annoyed.
But they are chill most of the time, but they're not chill when it comes to attendance.
Yeah.
Definitely.
I think that's not in their hands.
Yeah. But they try their best.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, I have seen, I've been there. So I know. Yeah, I've been there.
Also, I miss Juice Junction.
Yeah.
Bhakti,
Maggie.
Maggie.
Don't say it in front of Farooq sir, please.
Yeah.
Do not
eat
unhealthy.
I ate healthy also, sir.
He is more concerned. Only junk. No junk.
Golden words by Farooq sir, guys. Please do not eat unhealthy. Take care of yourself.
If you are working on JUSFF or Cinemas, do not eat unhealthy in front of Farooq.
Yeah.
I think when we're talking about lecturers, I want to give a shout out to Mahesh sir.
Yeah.
Spanish sir. Yeah, we had fun in those classes and he was genuinely kind.
Yeah.
And he knew what he was teaching.
And
It was
especially because we were learning a language.
Yeah.
Completely new
How you
language.
make that very easy for
Yeah.
us. So yeah. I mean, even there we had trips planned then. We were very
Going to
salty about the
France.
trips.
Yeah.
Going to Paris.
Yeah. I mean, not Paris, we were going to go to Vineyard at least.
Okay. So with all those nostalgic experiences, we know that CMS is the correct and worth it place to be in and learn. So, in the edit of life, these years were your highlight reels. And what a beautiful cut it has been. Moving to the next segment, which is the closing segment. As we come to the end of this special episode, we look back at not just a course, but a collection of moments that shaped each of you into a storyteller. From missed deadlines to standing ovations, you have earned everyday experience into lasting memories. To the graduating batch of MA Journalism and Mass Communication, CMS Lal Bagh campus, your creativity, compliment and courage has lit up this campus. And now it's time to take that light into the world. Before we wrap, one last round. Any final word, shout out or message would you like to share before the credit rolls?
Yeah, just live it when you have it. Because when it's gone,
You will miss
won't
it.
realize.
You'll miss it, yeah.
Right now we're on a countdown of like 20 days or so.
Yeah.
So
I never thought I
why
would
you
miss
say that face?
No, I still can't believe it. The way they were carrying all that stuff. We used to do that.
Yeah.
Now somebody's doing it for us.
1 year.
Last
So,
year we were the
we
ones
were
doing
behind
that.
the
Now
camera.
we're on the couch.
Yeah.
It's
And
now year has
also,
been a lot.
I would like to say something. College timings are pretty chill compared to other colleges.
Yeah.
Just I would like to give this advice to the juniors because just don't go home and be lazy. Do an internship, do something. It will help you a lot.
Productive.
I made that mistake in my first semester. I just used to go home. Our college was at 12:40, right? And I used to wake up around 10 and then I used to come to college. So don't do that.
Although
Do
I
something
say cherish
productive.
that also.
Yeah, it was
Sleep.
fun.
Now I miss
Yeah,
that. Do take all the sleep you can get.
Yeah, but do
Without
an
missing
internship as
classes.
well.
Without missing classes.
Yeah.
Don't
Yeah.
sleep at 12 also.
Yeah, but please try to do an internship. It'll actually help you a lot. When you're actually searching for jobs and they ask you for your experience, like we should not be,
Yeah.
with no answer. You should have something to speak about in your life. So.
And know
Sure.
that every experience that you
Adds
have in
up.
college can lead to something productive in your resume. Like it's not
Yeah.
just going to be a waste of time, or don't just think what is this going to do to me.
Yeah.
Because later on there'll be certain things that you can talk about as experience from that itself.
You can take your assignments, put that on your portfolio.
Yeah.
So you can just maybe pay a little more attention, a little more effort on your assignments, and put that in your portfolio. Because
We do it
speaking,
now.
yeah, because I have not had a lot of experience before this, so I did not have a lot of things to put in my portfolio. So that's what I did, and I would like to say all the best to my juniors. I think you guys will do great.
Yeah.
We managed it. You can too.
Yeah,
But
in a
yeah,
better way.
just
We
live-
live.
Better than us.
Yeah, at
Yeah,
the end of the day,
definitely.
it's like don't stress much. It will fall
Just
in
have
place.
fun, enjoy, go with the flow.
Yeah, don't stress, be chill, not as chill as us, but
Be chill, yeah.
Or
Everything
maybe
will
even
fall
more.
in
I mean, if you
place.
want to be chill as us also, we
Yeah,
don't
you
really
can be
mind. It's
more-
just you will be staying up late night making chat
That's
with
fine.
your best friend.
But go with the flow.
And one more thing is that if you think you can't do that, please try it, because sometimes you can do it.
Yeah.
And I learned that because in every team I always used to write content. Like when you give a camera to me, I'll just be like, no, give it to Leo because he knows better. But then I started
Okay.
doing it, and I was like, no, it's not. It's
That
not a huge
difficult,
thing. Like
yeah.
you can just take the camera, do it. And if you're into camera, start writing scripts. Do a lot of things, and you know that
Explore.
like I was better at it. I just didn't know it because I didn't try it. You should not
Don't
do that.
hesitate to ask for help
Yeah, do not
at any point. From your classmates, from other groups, even from your, I mean, please have healthy competitions when it comes to marks and all, but even then, don't hesitate to ask that person for help.
yeah,
It's
and
okay.
please help others. It will not take away
Yeah,
your
just don't
knowledge.
ask but help.
Yeah, also, yeah, help others.
Yeah, when you know it helps.
It never decreases your knowledge. It will never take away your marks. Help others. It's not that hard to be kind. And we need kind people around, guys. It's very important.
Very true.
Also,
Great.
participate in everything that is happening in college, in any activity that is happening.
Marks.
Yes.
Institutional marks.
Institutional marks. Also, that is how you end up making friends and
Yeah.
memories. So, participate.
Real memories.
Because nobody comes to class with the energy of talking to each other.
Yeah.
Everybody is half sleepy.
Yeah,
Especially our class.
Spooty and I, we don't talk at all. We don't even say hi in the class most
No,
of the
I
days.
don't think majority of us do. We come to class like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dozing off.
We don't even pass smiles actually. But
Yeah,
we are
because
also
we
very
don't-
good friends.
Yeah.
I think
We do that post break.
Yeah.
When we've had coffee, when we've actually gotten up then.
I think
Yeah.
what we're emphasizing on is low maintenance friendship. That is what you need in this age, because you cannot give a lot of time to people.
Yeah.
Please concentrate on your studies and your work, and I think that's it. All the best.
And please be with an open mind. Don't take offense in each and everything. It's all
But
chill.
also don't
Yeah.
not stand up for yourself.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
very
true.
important that you
Please stand up for
stand up for yourself and you stand true to yourself, because at the end that's what you have. So don't ever let yourself down, but also please, like the small things which are as a joke, later on in life you'll realize that it was just a joke.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
take it very chill, like us.
Yeah, and
Lovely.
when it comes to help, I remember me and Shrishti were like not that close friends, and like suddenly things happened and we became good friends. And I realized like few weeks back when I was not there, and she was sending me all the things without me asking for it.
So just stand up for each other, be a class,
Yeah.
be united, don't let the little things fight you.
Ruin
Don't
your
break
friendship.
your friendships.
Correct.
Because when the whole world turns against your class, it's just you and yourselves that you have.
This isn't a goodbye. This is just a cut to the next scene. Until the next time, this is In Focus episode 8 with Akansha signing off from CMS Lalbagh campus, where every story begins with a spark.